I help you today?
Good afternoon. I'd like to ask you if you have any available rooms for tonight.
Let me check our ability. We have standard room and deluxe room available. You like to see the rate?
Yes, please.
The standard room is the 3,000 per night and the deluxe room is 4,500 per night. Both with the complimentary breakfast.
Deluxe room, please.
May I have your ID for clarification?
Here it is.
Please fill out this form. Your number is 308. Checkout is 12 noon. Enjoy and stay. Please call the front desk if you need any assistance.
Thank you very much.
You're most welcome.